Example 1. If sine x equals 4 over 5, find sine 2x and cos 2x. 0 degrees lesser than x less than 90 degrees. Consider a right-angled triangle PQR with the angle x as shown. We know that sine x equals opposite side over hypotenuse equals PQ over PR. Since sine x equals 4 over 5, in the triangle PQR, the hypotenuse PR equals 5 units and the side opposite to the angle x, PQ, equals 4 units. Suppose QR is equal to A. To get the third side, we apply Pythagoras' theorem. PR square equals PQ square plus QR square. Substituting the values. 5 square equals 4 square plus A square. Rearranging the terms. A square equals 25 minus 16 equals 9. Therefore, A equals plus or minus square root of 9 equals plus or minus 3. Since it is given that 0 degrees less than x less than 90 degrees, A must be positive. Therefore, A is equal to 3. In the triangle, cos x equals adjacent side over hypotenuse equals QR over PR. Substituting the values. Cos x equals 3 over 5. Summarizing. Sin x equals 4 over 5 and cos x equals 3 over 5. Recall the double angle identity for sine. Substituting the values of sin x and cos x. Sin 2x equals 2 times 4 over 5 times 3 over 5. Therefore, sin 2x equals 24 over 25. Recall the double angle identity for cosine. Substituting the values of sin x and cos x. Cos 2x equals 3 over 5, the whole square minus 4 over 5, the whole square. Therefore, cos 2x equals negative 7 over 25.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.